In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate Elementor CSS. If your site styles look off after edits, maybe colors aren't updating, fonts seem stuck, or layouts appear misaligned, regenerating Elementor CSS is a quick, safe way to refresh how your design is compiled and served. Elementor creates optimized CSS files behind the scenes to help your pages load faster. Over time, after theme changes, plugin updates, or big design adjustments, those generated files can get out of sync. The process you're about to learn simply rebuilds those files. It won't delete your content or designs. From your WordPress dashboard, head to the left-hand menu and open Elementor, then choose Tools. This takes you to Elementor's built-in maintenance utilities where common housekeeping tasks live. Once the page loads, make sure you're on the General tab. That's the place where Elementor groups options for file regeneration and data cleanup. Now look for the button labeled Regenerate Files and Data. In some versions, you might see it as Clear Files and Data. The label can differ, but the purpose is the same. It clears Elementor's cached CSS and related assets so the system can rebuild them fresh based on your current settings, templates, and widgets. Click that button. You may notice a brief loading indicator or a confirmation notice. Both are normal. Think of this as telling Elementor, forget the old compiled styles and rebuild everything cleanly. There's one more important action. At the bottom of the page, click Save Changes. This is what actually triggers the regeneration process. Without saving, the request to rebuild might not fully run. After you save, Elementor begins recreating the CSS files in the background, pulling from your global styles, theme settings, and the design choices you've made across pages and templates. Give it a moment to complete, especially on larger sites with many templates. You should see a success message on the screen, and the next time your pages load, the styling should reflect your most recent edits. If you don't notice an immediate change, that's often just caching doing its job, and the updated styles usually appear shortly after as the new files propagate. To recap in plain terms, go to Elementor, open Tools, stay on the General tab, click Regenerate Files and Data, or Clear Files and Data, depending on your version, and then click Save Changes at the bottom to set the rebuild in motion. It's a straightforward maintenance step that keeps your Elementor styles accurate and your site looking the way you intended.